So today we'll create this toggle. I created this on Figma and replicate it using HTML and CSS. So let's head on to our VS Code. So you take a main, the class of main container. Inside the main, take a label, the class of toggle button. Inside the label, you take an input, set the type to checkbox. Take a span, which should be our slider. Give it a class of toggle slider. So our HTML is ready. So head on to our CSS and style it. So I've write out the basic CSS boilerplate and with our color variable. So let's style it. So we start with the toggle button, copy to avoid typing error. Select with the class, position relative, display inline block. Set the height and width. Set my width to 60 px and the height to 34. Preview and see. Have it here. This is the checkbox. Style this input here with the checkbox. Set the opacity to 0 to become transparent or invisible. Width 0 and height to 0. Check again so that the checkbox is gone. Let's continue. Now type the toggle slider, which is this span. That will be our toggle slider. Copy to avoid typing error. Set the position to absolute, then cursor to pointer, and top, left, right, and bottom to 0. Top with 0 and right to 0. So the toggle slider will have a background color. So we'll give it a background color using our variable. Then we'll set the border radius to 34 px. Let's save, preview, and see what we have. Give it a border radius 34 px. Preview, see what we have. Okay, nice. Move on. Now start the toggle slider before to do. Send the content to empty string and position to absolute. Set the height to 24 px and same width. Border radius of 50%. Let's save and see. It's not yet visible. Give it a background color of white using our variable. It should be visible now. Okay, we have it here. So the height are not equal. Height 24, width 24. Good, should be equal now. Left to 4, same as bottom. Let's preview again. It's perfect. You add transition so that it moves smooth on toggle. Use 0.4 millisecond ease. And the input at check plus the toggle slider before plus this. I want the background color to be green when it slides to the other side using our variable. So input at check, then do with check, then plus the toggle class, and when it slides to the other side, I want the background color to be green using our variable. So this input before sudo, I use transform and translate on the y-axis 26 px. Our toggle should work now. Let's check and see. So have a simple toggle. Find this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.